good afternoon, YouTube world. How the devil are you? It's been a while, isn't it? But yes, I am still alive, barely. I want to apologise for the lack of content over the last couple of months, probably now. As you know, I do suffer from mental health issues, but you know, I've just been out there because we all have our problems, and if we don't talk about those problems, they don't go away. But anyway, I'm feeling pretty good at the moment, so you know, we've got to get on, haven't we? So just wanted to let you know, really, it's not even an update, it's just a little hello. So this one is going to get probably finished this week. I've been out and I've got myself a bit of hickory. Now, I would like to have made something from a piece of branch, you know, branch or something like that, but to be honest with you, for a tenner, and it's going to work better than I could probably do, and I'm not a woodworker that well, so, you know, forgive me. So yeah, we're going to get this done. Viking axe. Now, just going to say one thing actually. Someone said to me, there's no such thing as a Viking axe. Blah, 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 blah. Well, I'm pretty sure they used them. I'm pretty sure in medieval times they used axes. I'm pretty sure in Romans times they used axes. So yeah, I'm pretty sure Vikings did use an axe. Am I trying to do a specific genre of axe or axe head? No. This is a bit of fun. So please take it with a pinch of salt or pinch of whatever you want, because I'm only having a play and I enjoy doing it. So anyway, we're going to get that one sorted out. I've got some really cool ideas for this, so make sure you keep tuned. Started getting myself back doing a bit of leather work again now. I've had this one here. This knife here I've had for, must be over a year. More than that probably. And it's a stunning piece of walnut with red liners. And it's a beautiful knife, and it's just been sat here. So I'm making a sheath for it, and this one might be available. So if you are interested, you know, it's a larger size camp knife. I've got fairly big hands. But yeah, because I've got to start clearing out knives I'm making, etc. So yeah, and obviously, right, which leads me on to, don't forget, thank you very much for everyone that subscribes to me. I think when at time of recording this video, we have 998 subscribers. So 2 away from the giveaway, which is scary. Not the giveaway, the fact there's nearly 1,000 people have subscribed. So make sure you, if you do subscribe to me, that you keep your notifications on, or you tick the bell, because if you don't, you might not see the opportunity come up to win a knife. And I'm giving away 2, as you know, and if you don't know what I'm on about, look back and you'll see either via Facebook or Insta, when I did the resin moulds. I actually did a live Facebook where we made the moulds and things for the handles. I'm not showing them now because you'll have to go and have a look. So yeah, they should be pretty good, but the same rules will apply. Obviously, if you're under 18, I apologise, you will not be allowed to enter. Do I think if you're under 18 you're not safe to use a knife? No, not particularly. I think with guidance and safety, every child should have a penknife and etc. But the law states that I'm not allowed to do anything for under 18s, and I will not. So don't even try it on, because I will be checking. If it's overseas and you win, you will be paying for the postage, I'm afraid, because depending on where it is, it could be crazy. And I'm trying to do this as a give back to you guys, not to kind of like bankrupt me. That makes sense. So bear that in mind if you do enter. But all this stuff I'll go through when I do the proper video. But I just wanted to touch base with you all. It's lovely to see you all again. And again, thank you very, very much for all your patience, your support, your subscriptions, and the fact that I think some of you do actually enjoy these videos, which is always a bit weird to me. But there anyway. Take care, everyone, and I will see you real soon.